Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday, U.S. market opened strong, but given up all the gain which it has opened and ended more of a flattish. Uh, Similarly, Asian markets are also uh, range bound in today's trade. Dollar index, which has come off in recent past, has stabilized and is showing marginal up move. It is up by around 20 basis point. Whereas on the other hand, 10-year bond yield in US continue to decline. And in last 1.5 month, it has come down from 5% to 4.26%, indicating that the expectations of cut in the interest rate by mid of 24 is very strong. So overall, seem more of a sideway market today. Yesterday we saw a good gain and came out of the range in yesterday's trade. So let us see how it works out. Whether it build up on the gain which it has gained yesterday. Uh, Initial indications are that the market is likely to be more of a range bound in today's trade. And I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, after sharp rally, we expect some sideways momentum in today's session, and today immediate resistance place around 20,140. If Nifty managed to sustain that level, then we expect further rally. Otherwise, Nifty trading between the range. Upside range is 20,140. Downside immediate support place for intraday 20,060 and then 20,000 at downside. The overall today's sideways momentum during the time we expected. Bank Nifty also show that positive rally in yesterday's session. To we expect next immediate resistance place around 45, 44,920. If Bank Nifty break that level, then we expect further rally towards 45, 170, 45, 314 upside. Immediate intraday resistance support place around 44, 200 and 220 at downside. So both index today we expect some sideways momentum. If we break the first immediate resistance, then we expect further rally in the monthly expiry. Nifty also trading in upper range, so we expect next immediate resistance 20,920 and 20,180 in upside. First immediate support place around 19,930. Below that, next support around 19,840. So we expect some sideways momentum to this session. A stock specific Hind Copper looks positive. We saw that in copper break the important top level around 174, 173 and close near that important level. To expect its momentum to be continue towards 180, 182 in upside. Second, Federal Banks also looks positive at current level. We already given call in Federal in option. We expect upside 155, 156 and support place around 148, 146 at downside. Third one is Anuras. Anuras we already mentioned in Diwali peak also. Yesterday, see some volume breakout in Anuras to expect this momentum in price momentum in today's session to expect upside around 990 and then 1020 and upside to expect positive momentum to be continue in Anuras and downside support place around 940. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that the Nifty is continuously on the upper end, we are seeing that the OI positions from the put right up front is continuously increasing. As I mentioned yesterday, also that the PCR yesterday gave closing at 1.12 and was expecting PCR to come around 1.45 to 1.48 level, and we have seen that PCR yesterday closed at 1.46 level. There might be some sort of discomfort from the PCR front. We might see some PCR to come towards 1.38 to 1.35 level because today we are seeing that today is the monthly expiry also for the Nifty. So we expect PCR to get adjusted today again, but we expect the PCR to remain above the resistance zone, which is 1.18 level from where we have seen the breakout level and managed to get the support of that level. While on the OI front, we are seeing that a Nifty in yesterday's session it got added around 20,000 and 20,100 striker put writer got added up strongly against the call writer positions with that we are seeing that at 20,000 strike call writer positions continuously getting liquidated and getting shifted on the upside towards a 2200 to 300 striker. So the next resistance for the Nifty as per the current OI positions would be at 20,200 marker. So overall Nifty trend seems to be on the positive front. We are seeing that the SGX in the morning session was almost around 20, GIFT Nifty was almost around 25-30 points on the lower end, but again it got the pull back on the upside and giving currently around 10 to 15 points on the positive front. So there is a positive support from the GIFT Nifty also. So overall data front on the options and derivative part seems to be on the positive front. So hold the long position with the support of 20,000 mark in today's trading session. Well, on the sectoral and stock specific front, auto, IT, and banking looks positive. Selective counters from these sectors will be Federal Bank, PNB, and Tata Steel and HCL Tech. These three counter looks positive for today's trading session. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Today, on IPO will list Fedbank Financial Services. Other IPOs are also there. So on Fedbank, we had given a neutral rating. Our total issue size is 1100 crores, of which 500 crores is OFS and 600 crores is fresh issue. It is promoted by Federal Bank and has a total loan book of 9,400 crores. Fully into retail loans. 33% is towards gold loans, 25% towards high ticket LAP loans, where ticket size is 50 lakhs. 18% mix is towards small ticket LAP loans, where ticket size is 12 lakhs, and 6% mix is towards affordable housing loans. Balance 17% is towards unsecured loans. If we compare the company with other NBFCs into gold and LAP like SBFC, Poonawalla, and IIFL Finance, we observe that all these peers have higher ROA of around between 3 to 3.5%, whereas Fedbank Financial has ROA of 2.3%. This is mainly because of higher cost to income ratio. Thus, we believe that Fedbank should trade at some discount to peers. Currently, that discount is around 20%. And Fedbank is trading at 2.6 times trailing price to book, whereas peers are at 3.3 times. We think that this is fairly valued at issue price. So don't expect any jump in the opening price of the IPO. Thank you.
Good morning. Foot Locker, which is a New York-based specialty athletic retailer, has entered into a long-term licensing agreement with Metro Brands and Nykaa Fashion. Under the terms of agreements, Metro Brands is granted exclusive rights to own and operate the Foot Locker stores within India and to sell authorized merchandise in Foot Locker stores. Nykaa Fashion will serve as the exclusive e-commerce partner and operate Foot Locker's India website and retail authorized merchandise on Foot Locker branded shop on Nykaa's existing e-commerce platforms. So this looks positive for Metro Brands and Nykaa. Thank you.
Yeah, Tata Technology is getting listed today. The issue price was 500 rupees and got a very great response. If you compare it with Tata Elxsi, share was offered at around 29 times first half annualized earning, whereas Tata Elxsi was trading at 66 times. If you see the growth, Tata Elxsi had grown faster than Tata Technology, and also company Tata Elxsi commands much higher premium as compared, much higher margin as compared to Tata Technology. Even ROC and ROE of Tata Elxsi were at premium and were at ROC was at around 42 versus 24 for Tata Technology. So, as such, Tata Elxsi is financials are much better than Tata Technology as of now, and valuations were also commanding way difference. So quite possible Tata Technology is getting indications of listing at much higher price, but from there onwards, 500 plus anywhere between 300 to 400 rupees means around 800 rupees, 800 to 900 rupees. It will be trading somewhere at around 50 times first half annualized earning. So which we feel is fairly priced for short term, but long term quite possible the company can give great returns as it is in the industry which is in embedded software, that is that too is specifically in auto sector. So the software which goes into machines, they are into that rather than just accounting and all. So this industry is likely to grow faster than the other IT industry, and in that also auto will be growing much faster in that. So Tata Technology is expected to grow much higher than the other IT company, and which can compound the earnings also for the Tata Technology. So what we see that if we compare it with TCS in 19 years, they had given around 20% CAGR return only on listed price. If someone is having a long-term view, this is an opportunity where someone can hold on the stock for a very long-term perspective. Then apart from that, Tata Thomas Cook is coming up with OFS, wherein promoter will be selling the shares around 4 crore shares or 8.5% holding in the company. The floor price is 125, and promoters are holding around 72% in the company. So it's more of a promoter taking away the cash, not compulsion on coming up with offer for sale. If you see the business environment, last quarter was very good, and company has indicated that growth has come back for them and likely to sustain. So outlook is positive for Tata, for Thomas Cook, and any good corrections in this OFS can be used to buy the share. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we witnessed prices in gold and silver rallied from the lower areas, and prices can prices are expected to test 60 62 63 100 200 on upside. So buying around 62 700 to 650 is recommended with a stop loss, a strict stop loss of 62 450. On upside again, take profits around 63 100, and cautiousness should be maintained below 62 450, as there could be some reversal and prices might cool off. So remain cautious below 62 450. And in silver, prices are expected to test 77 700, 78,000. So buying around 77,000 with a stop loss of 76 400. And crude oil, we are expecting prices to test 65.50. So buying around 64.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 63.80. In natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 230 to 230 and again bounce back. So it could be in a range from 230 to 240. So trading within this range is recommended. In base metal copper, we are expecting prices to test 725, 728. So buying is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 716. Uh, in zinc also, maintain a stop loss of 223, and the bounce back could be till 226 to 27. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, we are expecting some sideways momentum within a range of 83.42 on the higher side and 83.22 on the lower side. So one can initiate a short positions in the range of 83.36 levels with a stop loss of 83.45 levels for the target of 83.28 and 83.18 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 105.80 to 105.70 levels with a stop loss of 105.58 levels for the target of 105.99 and 106.15 levels. Thank you.